clip of how Saudi built the Riyadh Stadium for the Rumble in less than 4 weeks. 4 weeks? Remember when Dame Meltzer said they were still building the arena and people said he was full of it? Well, here we are with just few days to go for the mega event that will shape up the WrestleMania season. We have got titles on the line, legends fighting for their career, and 30 men and women looking to book their ticket to Vegas. Let's roll in our predictions, shall we?
And Goldberg is out. John Cena has tapped out. A Styles Clash at the Royal Rumble.
First up, the ring general Gunther versus the phenomenal one AJ Styles. The stakes at an all-time high. Gunther has been a legend killer lately, taking out the likes of Goldberg and then making Cena tap like a little bitch. Who's next? AJ Styles? He might think AJ Styles in all washed up, especially after his cheeky victory over on Raw 2 weeks ago. But I'm going against the grain. My predictions, AJ Styles. I don't think AJ's story ends in Riyadh. Expect a phenomenal performance where AJ proves he still has gas in the tank. Heading Gunther, a rare shocking loss to keep his career alive. This can also end in disqualification, leading up to their final confrontation at WrestleMania. I don't see any plans for Gunther to challenge for the title yet, as he is still basking in the glory of retiring Cena. This looks to be the ideal outcome, as it will allow them to extend the rivalry till Mania, another Sin City street fight on the cards. Oh, the Scottish Warriors' first title defense. Unfortunately, it's lackluster. We have already seen Drew defeat Sami Zayn countless times. So this just looks to be a reason to Sami on the match card, since he'll bring the ovation of the Saudi audience. Sami is desperate for that one big one to begin his legacy. But Drew is at the peak of his career right now, winning the gold after what looked like a decade since he lost the World Heavyweight Championship to a Money in the Bank cash-in. My prediction, Drew McIntyre retains. He's just too dominant at the moment, heading into Elimination Chamber as the champion. Likely awaiting Jacob Fatu and Cody Rhodes. There is one thing that's guaranteed for sure, no one is bored at work anymore. Before I move on to my Royal Rumble predictions, it will be nice if you can like and share the video, as it will help the algorithm so that more enthusiasts can watch the video and chip in with their prediction. Subscribe to my channel for weekly content ahead. Thank you for watching this video. Moving on to what I believe is gonna be the opener, the Women's Royal Rumble match.
Nia from behind.
Nia, who got knocked out of the ring under the bottom rope a little earlier. Yeah, that's more like it. Oh,
Lash Legend eliminates Nikki Bella.
wasn't the woman she was aiming for.
This year's is stacked with heavy hitters like Nia Jax and Lash Legend to the flamboyant Chelsea Green and Sol Ruka, and the experienced in Bayley and Alexa Bliss. Everyone is in for a shot to pick their poison and go on to headline WrestleMania. In midst of all these names, one name has been playing the long game better than anyone. Ever since returning back in November last year, the former women's world champion is definitely cooking something.
Liv Morgan! Liv Morgan is back!
It's apparent as she's been manipulating every one of her Judgment Day teammates since November. Though she's been off her loss to Io and Rhea at Saturday Night Main Event, she's constantly been the main character in women's division lately. I expect her as a late entrant who will use both the Judgment Road trump card and dirty tactic to eliminate match favorites. With honorable mentions such as Bianca Belair and Julia out of the way, I predict the Liv Morgan Revenge Tour to head to Vegas. surprise entrants could include the current TNA Women's Champion Xia Li, who goes by the name Li Ying Li in TNA. She could wreak some havoc before being eliminated by, I don't know, Chelsea Green. Also, the AJ Lee and Becky Lynch factor. I predict AJ Lee enters, but her sole mission isn't just winning, it's taking out Becky Lynch. They eliminate each other, brawling all the way to the back, possibly setting up a WrestleMania match. Bianca Belair, who's out with that injury since WrestleMania 41, but if cleared, what's better place for a powerhouse display? If she's cleared, she's definite Final Four. Finally, the main event. With all said and done, I still remember last year when Edge pushed a shell shocked John Cena over the top rope to seal his first ever Rumble victory. It was a spectacular finish, something that set the stage to Cena's big hill turn. With Roman and Cody both in the mix, the star power is off the charts. But 2026 is about the future, and there is one man who has had the vision. No, it's not Paul Heyman, but his understudy Braun Breaker. It's time. I'm predicting Braun enters in the 20s, clears the ring, and eventually eliminates a veteran like Randy Orton or even Oba Fenway, who I'm predicting to finish in the final four to win his ticket for the gold. The Breaker era officially begins. My honorable mentions would be LA Knight, if only, and the Beast Brock Lesnar. LA Knight would be my personal pick, while the Beast is someone who is featured heavily in the promotional material for the main event. While the Beast versus CM Punk would be nostalgic, if there is one title that will change at Mania, it will be surely the World Heavyweight Championship. And sadly, I don't see Triple H putting the belt back on Lesnar again. Though I admit it will look dope on the Beast. Now let's talk about the surprises. Basically, those that will be lighting the stage and the reason why we solemnly sing the countdown like a national anthem.
It's him! He's back! Y2J!
Yup, the rumors are true. Y2J is ready to break the walls down. One last time, this isn't just a cameo. This is Jericho coming home to finish his career where it became legendary. Can you imagine the Bob Judas and Mind Gets? Damn goosebumps. Moving on, which is that one division that needs a spark? Yep, you guessed it right. It's the tag division, and I'm predicting a TNA invasion. The Hardy Boys and the Dudley Boys entering back to back. The roof will come off the arena, 3D and swanton bombs everywhere. So there you have it. My road to WrestleMania starts with Braun Breaker and Liv Morgan standing tall. AJ Styles live to fight another day, and the cards for Mania is floor wide open. But I want to hear from you. Which TNA star do you think makes the jump? Would we see biggest return in Rumble history? Drop your picks in comments and hit the subscribe button as we head to the most instant Royal Rumble ever. See you soon.